Hello CS50AI. So this is actually the demo of the NIM game where you actually try to be not to be the last person to remove the thing from the stack of the piles that you get. So now I'm actually in the midst of training the AI. I'm almost done training it with 10,000 games. So this is what we are using. What we are using now is actually reinforced learning, where the AI will actually play games with itself to actually discover the optimal way to play this. So after 10,000 games, we'll see how well this AI performs. So let's see. Okay, so the AI took 3 from the third pile. So let's say I'll take I'll take all 5 from the second pile. Then let's see if this is the case. If I take 1 from the first pile. Okay, now if I it's really making this hard. If I take 1 from the first pile. Okay, the result is the AI won the game. And let us train it one more time to see if I will be able to win this game one more time. So this will take some time. Let's hope that you guys will stay with me until the AI is done being trained. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about reinforced learning. So reinforced learning is very useful if the game space or the possibility is actually not as big as a game like, let's say, chess. If you're actually using this method to actually teach or actually let an AI learn how to play chess, the cost will be quite high because the AI will need to actually really play a lot of games in order for it to actually see that many permutations. So this will actually be suitable for a game like NIM, which the game space is actually not as big. And I think this will actually be quite suitable for a game of tic-tac-toe, which in CS50AI, we did have an assignment like that before this. So it's very interesting to see if we could actually apply this particular reinforced learning game into a tic-tac-toe game, which I think it will succeed because the mechanism is quite the same. And what's the amazing part is this: you don't really actually teach the AI what are the detailed steps to take, what are the instructions that you need to do. Somehow the AI is actually able to discover what are the optimal steps to make by actually playing with itself. So I think this is quite interesting course. And for those of you who hasn't get exposed to AI, I think CS50AI is a very good exposure. But of course, before you take this course, I highly recommend you to actually take the CS50 Introduction to Computer Science course. Even though you might have already finished your degree, but going through that particular course might actually help you have a better understanding of computer science. And if you are actually a young student who want to try and understand what is computer science about, it's okay. You can take that course because that course is designed for students who doesn't have any background in computer science or even programming. So you can take that. Once you have taken that, you will have a strong enough basic for you to actually learn any other languages and even learn this course CS50AI. So yeah, I think Harvard has done a very good job in order to help students all around the world to be able to access the power of computers and computer science. And after that, they also have a few different paths for you to be able to move forward, such as CS50AI, web programming in Python. Uh, I think there's also mobile application programming in React. And last but not least, I think there's also game development, which is also a very interesting course. So my AI is done training. Let's see if I could win it this time. I'm going to take 1 from power 1, and let's say I'm going to take I'm going to take 2 from power 2. So no matter what I do, I will lose. Yep, I lost the game. So that's it for Project NIM. That's CS50AI for you. Bye. See you guys next time.